Hello, Jason Neufeld from Elder Needs Law here, reviewing a document that nobody wants to get if they're applying for Medicaid in the state of Florida, which is a rejection, a denial. It comes in the form of a NOCA, which is a notice of case action, and I tell my clients, even my clients, and we've submitted hundreds of applications over the years, that a certain percentage of our expertly reviewed, detailed, filled, well submitted applications, even a fraction of ours are going to get rejected for no good reason. And this is one of those cases. This is an actual client's letter, notice of rejection that was denied. And we know that the Department of Children and Families is wrong and that we are right. But fortunately, part of my engagement is that we are prepared to appeal wrongfully rejected applications. And this is another illustration as to why it's important to work with an experienced Medicaid planning law firm, because even good applications are occasionally rejected. And you can see here, and I'm going to put on my little pointer here, that the reason this was rejected is we did not receive all the information requested to determine eligibility. Now, we know, because we've submitted many applications, that we submitted everything that was needed. We only submit complete applications. However, what I can tell you is even when we occasionally get this reason for rejection, what we know it really means, what the department is really trying to say, is we didn't have enough time to get to it. They are chronically understaffed, chronically overworked, and the law says they have 30 days to come up with a decision, but the pure volume of applications that they're reviewing prevents that from really being possible, even though the law requires it. So this is what they're really doing is kicking the can down the road. This is the department buying themselves some time, because what will inevitably happen with this application included is we'll reach out to our contacts over at the Department of Children and Families and we'll go, what's the problem? What did you not receive? Because it looks like we sent you everything. Or occasionally we'll resubmit everything, right? And it gives them, I guess, a way to maybe save face a little bit. And then ultimately this application will be approved because there's no good reason for them to reject it. So if you're one of our clients, or if you're somebody else who just submitted an application, just because you get a rejection, especially if the reason is we did not receive all the information requested to determine eligibility, that doesn't mean you're done. That just means you need to push on even further, because ultimately, if you have submitted everything and you are financially eligible, you'll be approved. Or again, you work with an attorney who is experienced dealing with the government and making sure that his application gets through, albeit with some delay, which sadly we can't control from time to time. So I hope that helps. This is a Jason Neufeld. My law firm is called Elder Needs Law. We serve the entire state of Florida, estate planning, probate administration, but certainly doing a ton of Medicaid planning, getting people access to long-term care services at home or in the community. I hope you found this video interesting. And if you're one of our clients, don't worry, we're on top of it. If you're not one of our clients, but you want to make sure that you don't have to deal with the government if the application gets rejected, we're here to serve anyone in the state of Florida. Thank you for watching.